This is the tricolor Goto Guard Silk PLA for your 3D printer. Now, Goto Guard did send this roll of filament over for the creation of this video, so let's get right to it. Now, you can see here we have a cardboard spool with this filament. It does have a couple cutouts here, so you can loop the filament through when you are not using it and it stays untangled. That is only on one side, though. The other side is plain, but we do have stickers indicating a little bit of information about the filament on each side. Now, I do want to take a closer look at this filament to show you exactly how this tricolor filament works. As you can see here, as I rotate that filament, we have 3 colors on the outside. And as that filament moves through your printer, you're going to end up with a print that has the same color layout as this filament. So I'll show that off here in just a second, but I wanted to show the uniqueness of this tricolor filament. All right, as you can see here, I have an example of a benchy print with this tricolor filament from Goto Guard. And as I rotate it around here, you can see that it definitely changes colors between the red, blue, and yellow. And we actually get some greens and purples and other hues in there as you rotate it, just kind of depending on the angle. It's a really cool color effect. And if you haven't seen it before, it is really something to see and pretty unique compared to a lot of other filaments. Here's another printed example of this Goto Guard tricolor silk PLA filament. And as you can see, it's just a really nice glossy silk texture here with a ton of color shifting. Even though it's just a tricolor of red, blue, and yellow, depending on the angle here of the filament and the print itself, you get a ton of colors. There's a lot of greens in this example. There's some purples and magentas. It just looks really nice, and I'm really happy with the print quality of this filament from Goto Guard. I've been really happy so far with the prints that I've gotten out of this tricolor filament from Goto Guard. It's a really unique look, right? You've got 3 colors in a single strand of filament, and I've just, like I said, been really happy with it. So definitely check this out if you're looking for a really unique filament to use on your prints. All right, as always, I've got a link in the description below if you want to pick up a roll of this for yourself.